Focus viewers, justice has been served. A. Gyanasekaran, accused in the sexual assault of a 19-year-old Anna University student, has been sentenced to life imprisonment of at least 30 years by a Mahila Court in Chennai. Originally a biryani vendor, Gyanasekaran has been fined 90,000 rupees as well. 11 charges against him were proven using forensic and documentary evidence. The trial, which concluded in just 5 months, has been hailed as a landmark in ensuring timely justice for crimes against women. The convict, remember, was a biryani stall owner near the university, and he has a criminal past with 20 cases, including theft and housebreaking, and convictions in 6. In fact, his history added to the public outrage after the brazen attack. Let's tell you how this entire shocking case happened in December last year. A case that sparked outrage and protests all across Tamil Nadu. On the 23rd of December in 2024, Gyanasekaran entered the Anna University campus in Chennai, thrashed a male student accompanying the survivor, threatened him to flee, and then sexually assaulted the woman. The student then filed a complaint at the all-women police station in Kottapuram, leading to his arrest. My colleague Dharni spoke with the DGP earlier. Listen in.
With just 10 months for the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections to come, maintenance of law and order has become the center point of discussions related to the state politics. And joining us now for a conversation on this is the state DGP, Mr. Shankar Jiwal. Sir, thank you for talking to Times Now. My first question to you is, the opposition parties in Tamil Nadu, be it the DMK or the BJP, they've been claiming that the number of murders and the number of sexual crimes against women and children, they are on a constant rise in the state in the recent years. So what is your response to these allegations?
No, statistically it is not true, because this is one of the rare states, Tamil Nadu, where actually the number of murders have gone down progressively over the last few years. There has been a rise in absolute number of crimes, if you add all crime against women and children. So when there was a slight rise in number of cases registered, we went in that and we found that awareness has played a major role, because a society, how aware it is regarding crime against children, to report it proactively. So statistics clearly show that now there is an increase statistically, but it's because of the awareness. This is scientifically done. So I think we'll strongly disagree with both the contentions that there has been an increase, which can be attributed to a lawlessness or something.
The Anna University sexual assault case, which made headlines across the country. So from that Anna University case to the recent Arakonam incident that has come to light, there are allegations of DMK functionaries being protected by cops. So what is your straight response to these accusations?
So there's a conviction in this case already in Anna University. I don't understand how there can be protection also, there can be conviction in 5 months also. That's very paradoxical to start with. If there's a protection, there shouldn't be conviction. So in Anna University case, the accused has already been convicted and sentence is going to be announced on 2nd of June. The Arkonam case is very, very straight cut and clear, where we have given 2 press releases very openly. Throughout the country, if you go around, I don't think the police department comes forth and gives press releases for clarification and rebuttal. We have given 2 very clear press releases. What was the complaint like? The photograph and the video of the 2 persons, I'm not naming them X, Y, and Z, getting married in a temple and all, and their entire transactions thereafter, everything has been stated. Any population, if you take, there will be some people who will belong to certain religion, certain sect, certain political party, etc. So as far as Tamil Nadu police is concerned, I think we have never even once come across so far in recent times where you can say that we have been partisan to anybody. I don't have statistics, but if you see, we would have arrested any party, any sect, anybody if they come to criminal notice. For us, a crime is a crime, as a criminal is a criminal.
So that was, of course, the Tamil Nadu DGP who was speaking before the sentence was pronounced for A. Gyanasekaran. But remember, viewers, this case took a controversial turn when the FIR was leaked from the Tamil Nadu Police's CCTNS website and circulated in the media, prompting the Madras High Court to transfer the investigation to a special investigation team. The SIT filed a charge sheet in February this year, and this case was later moved to the Mahila Court. But this case, ladies and gentlemen, became a flashpoint between the DMK and the opposition as well in Tamil Nadu after the opposition stated Gnanasekharan's alleged links to the ruling DMK. While Chief Minister M.K. Stalin dismissed these claims, calling him only a sympathizer, the opposition parties upped the ante. AIADMK leader and former Chief Minister E. Palaniswamy questioned Gnanasekharan's initial release and alleged his proximity to two DMK functionaries. Meanwhile, DMK MP Kanimodi was quick to retort and brought up the 6-year delay in the Pollachi sexual assault case under the previous AIADMK government. In fact, Tamil Nadu BJP chief Nagendran has shared photographs of Gnanasekharan with DMK leaders on social media today, calling the verdict historic and praising the survivors' courage amid political threats. My colleague Dharni is joining me live on the broadcast. Dharni, this finally comes at a crucial time when, the survivor needed justice, and you've got Gnanasekharan now being handed over life imprisonment as well as a fine. But what more do you have? What did the court say today, a Mahila Court that pronounced this verdict?
The police department, the special investigation team that was probing the Anna University sexual assault case, they levelled 11 charges against the sole accused Gnanasekharan, and the Mahila Court in Chennai has found Gnanasekharan guilty in all these 11 charges. In fact, today Judge Rajalakshmi of the Mahila Court has sentenced Gnanasekharan to life imprisonment with at least 30 years in prison, and a fine of rupees 19,000 has also been imposed. So definitely a very historic judgment, and this whole investigation and the conviction, they've happened in 5 months, because initially this case first came to light in December of 2024. That is when the victim filed a complaint and the case came to light, and within 5 months the investigation and the conviction has got confirmed. And there is a credit war that is currently ongoing between the ruling DMK and the opposition parties. The DMK says that it is because of their police department's fair and swift investigation this conviction happened. On the other hand, the opposition parties, that is the ADMK and the BJP, they are claiming that it was the Madras High Court that took a suo motu cognizance of this matter, and it was the Madras High Court that constituted the SIT that probed this case. So there is nothing for the DMK to take credit in this, is what the opposition parties say. They also go on to claim that they've been mounting pressure in connection with this case by various protests. So if at all, if any political party is having the right to take credit, that is the opposition parties, is what they say. So the war to take credit is currently
Okay.
that is what we can see here in the state. But at the outset, the conviction is definitely a very welcoming thing, and the court has found Gnanasekharan guilty in all the 11 charges levelled against him, and he'll be facing a minimum of 30 years imprisonment with
Right,
90,000 rupees fine.
Right, Dharni, thanks very much for joining us at the moment, getting us all those details. Viewers, with that, let's shift our